Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in our e-learning maths class. Myself, Sheetal Doli from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School, English Medium, Hosa Township. I am here for Standard 9 Mathematics Part 2. And we are discussing on the 9th chapter, Surface Area and Volume. Already in previous video, I explained the surface area and volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Along that, we solved the practice set 9.1. Today, I am going to explain terms related to a cone and their relation, surface area of cone, volume of cone. Let's start. Terms related to a cone and their relation. Now look at the diagram. Here we can observe the cone shape diagram is given. In that, here we can see that AB is a L means slant height. Then AO is a perpendicular height, that is H, and OB is a base radius, that is R. Now see the information. A cone is shown in the adjacent figure. Center of the circle, which is the base of the cone, is O. That O is the center of the circle, which is base of the cone. Then A is the vertex of the cone. Segment OB, see here OB, segment OB is a radius, and OA. Segment OB is a radius and OA is a perpendicular to the radius at O. See here, OA is a perpendicular to the radius at O. Means AO is a perpendicular height of the cone. Means we can say that AO is a perpendicular height of the cone. Slant height of the cone is the length AB. That here we can see that AB is the slant height, which is shown by letter L. So triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. Now AB is nothing but L. So L square equals to H square plus R square. That is slant height square equals to perpendicular height square plus base radius square. We require this formula. So everyone just keep this in mind, that L square equals to H square plus R square. Next concept is given, surface area of cone. A cone has two surfaces, circular base and curved surface. So with the help of this, we have to get the some formulas. Area of the circular base is pi r square. Area of the circular base is pi r square. The curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Total surface area of cone is curved surface area plus area of the base. So together we will get pi r in bracket L plus R. See here, again I repeat, area of circular base is pi r square. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. And total surface area of cone is pi r in bracket L plus R. Next concept is volume of cone. If the radii of the base and the height of the cone and a cylinder are equal, then 3 into volume of cone equals to volume of cylinder. So we get volume of cone is 1 upon 3 into pi r square H. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 into pi r square H. Altogether all these formulas are given here. So remember this. Area of base of cone is pi r square. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Total surface area of cone is pi r in bracket L plus R. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square H. And here one more we can write there, slant height square or slant height equals to L square equals to H square plus R square. Okay. Now with the help of all this formulae, we will solve the practice set 9 points. Example from practice set 9.2. Perpendicular height of cone is 12 cm and its slant height is 13 cm. Find the radius of the base of cone. See the solution. H is given 12 cm. L is given 13 cm. We have to find R, that is radius of base of cone. We know that L square equals to H square plus R square. L is given 13, so 13 square equals to H. H is given 12, so 12 square plus R square we have to find. Okay, 13 square is 169, 12 square 144 plus R square. Therefore, 169 minus 144 equals to R square. So, R square equals to 25. R equals to 5 centimeter by taking the square root on both sides. Okay, so here we can say that radius of base of cone is 5 centimeter. Understood? Now I will explain the third example. Curved surface area of cone is 251.2 centimeter square and radius of its base is 8 centimeter. Find its slant height and perpendicular height. Pi is given 3.14. Now see the solution. The curved surface area is given 251.2 centimeter square. Radius is 8 centimeter. Slant height and perpendicular height both we have to find. The curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Curved surface area of cone is given 251.2. Pi value is 3.14 is given into 8, that is radius is also given. We have to find the slant height L. After shifting all the terms, we get 251.2 divided by 314 into 8. After doing the calculation, we will get slant height equals to 10 centimeter. Then we know that slant height square equals to perpendicular height square plus radius square. So here 10 square equals to 8 square plus h square. 10 square is 100 equals to 8 square is 64 plus h square. So h square equals to 100 minus 64, that is 36. So after taking the square root, we get h equals to 6 centimeter. So here slant height is 10 centimeter and perpendicular height is 6 centimeter. Understood all of you? One more example I will explain, that is fourth one. What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter if the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter? Now see the solution. Here R is given 6 meter, then L is given 8 meter. First of all, we have to find the total surface area of the cone. So total surface area of a cone equals to pi r in bracket L plus R, which is 22 upon 7 into 6, 8 plus 6. So 22 upon 7 into 6 into 14. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. After taking the product of all this, we get 264 meter square. Now here it is given that the cost of making the closed cone is rupees 10 per meter square. Okay, so here we can say the cost of making the closed cone equals to rate into the total surface area of cone. Total surface area of a cone. Rate is given rupees 10 and the total surface area is 264 meter square. So total cost is rupees 2640. Okay, understood? Now you will complete this sum and along that remaining sums also you have to solve. Very soon we will meet in next video with new concept. Thank you.